Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another video on refreshing my sew-in. I'm just going to be shampooing, conditioning it, and restyling it. So I'm going to go in with my Lanza Healing Color Care shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm just sectioning off my hair, taking the leave out, sectioning the leave out from the weave hair, and sectioning the weave hair as well. As you can see, I've had this in for some time now, so I got about a week to go before I can take it out. But until then, I just like to keep it clean, refreshed, and looking new as best as possible. I'm now going in with my shampoo. I'm going to work in the shampoo and lather it. Oops, I'm trying to get my clip in. Yeah, so I'm now going to work in the shampoo and lather it to get all the dirt and flakes off my scalp. I'm doing a second dose of shampoo. This time, as you can see, is lathering up a little bit more than the first one. And I'm just working it all through, massaging my scalp, making sure to get those blood flowing to promote growth and healthy hair. So I'm going in with my conditioner. I'm just going to apply it, work it through, and then let it sit while I shampoo and condition my weave hair, my extensions, if I could say. So now I'm going to go in with my Dove Nourishing Secrets Coconut shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to lather it like I did my regular hair, lather it up, get it nice and clean, work it through to get all the dust and dirt out of the hair. And this is also my, is it my leather or my conditioner? Oh, my conditioner, yes. So now I'm just conditioning the hair, combing it through, making sure all the strands are covered. So I'm just gonna twist that up and put it away. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest and come back. Now here it is, I'm done shampoo and conditioning all of my hair. Now it's time to prep it to sit under the dryer. I'm just making sure to towel dry the hair really good so I don't have to sit under the dryer too long. Now I'm gonna detangle the hair and prep it for the treatment. So I'm going in with some Biosilk oil on my extensions. Just rub it in from bottom to top really well and coat the strands. And I'm going in with my Lanza Healing Moisture Leave-In Conditioner and my Lanza Healing Color Care Color Illuminator. Just work that in. And for this time, I'm going to section the hair, unpart the hair, section the hair in a way where it's going to dry the way that it's going to lay. So I'm just making these little twisties on the top of my hair to section off my leave out. That way when I get under the dryer, it just dries the way I'm gonna lay it. So I'm gonna go under the dryer and I'll be right back. Here we are, all dried. And as you can see, the twist styles have dried too. They're just laying in the position that I'm going to be laying the leave out in. So now I'm just gonna go in with a warm setting dryer because I've already been under the heat, so I don't want to put too much heat on my hair. Just to stretch out the roots a little bit. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
you.